KURINJI Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
KURINJI Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
We are discussing trigonometry concept. We discussed many formulas. We will continue with formulas again. Now cos 2x, this is already we discussed in my last class. Cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Also 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. 4 formulas we have for cos 2x. That is cos square x minus sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. And this formula proof already discussed in last class. Next one, sin 2x. Now, sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x, right, in terms of tan, that is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Each and every formula is important. We will use these formulas in many chapters, not only in trigonometry, in many chapters we will use these formulas. Okay, what is sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, this is one formula, and 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. This is one more formula. Proof is simple. Using sin x plus y. We have sin x plus y formula is what? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x plus y formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. Now sin 2x we need. Sin 2x means what I will do is in place of y I will put x. Put y is equal to x. In place of y we put x. Sin x plus x is what? Sin 2x. Left hand side sin 2x. Now in place of y we write x. Sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x. Nothing but 2 times of sin x cos x. So sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. This is one important formula. Okay. Now sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Divide by cos square x plus sin square x. No problem, no issue, because cos square x plus sin square x is 1 only. So 2 sin x cos x by 1. 1 we can write as cos square x plus sin square x. Now divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So 2 sin x cos x by cos square x upon cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. Okay. Here 1 cos x cancel. Ma? So what we have? 2 sin x by cos x means 2 tan x in numerator. Okay. Now denominator cos square x plus sin square x by cos square. What we can write? Cos square x by cos square x 1 plus sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. So denominator is what? 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. So sin 2x formula, we have two formulas, 2 sin x cos x and another formula is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Next, tan 2x. Tan 2x formula 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. We can prove in 2 ways. Tan 2x is nothing but sin 2x by cos 2x. Sin 2x by cos 2x. Okay. What is sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x by cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x cancel. So what we get? Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay. Numerator value in sin 2x upon numerator value in cos 2x. Okay. 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Or else using tan x plus y formula. Okay, what is tan x plus y formula? Tan x plus y formula is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan x plus y formula is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, now in this formula replace y by x. Okay, means in place of y write x. So what we get left hand side, tan x plus x tan 2x is equal to tan x plus tan x. Tan x plus tan x 2 tan x. So numerator is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan x into tan x. Tan x into tan x is tan square x, no 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Sorry. Okay, but these are regarding multiple angle 2x. Okay, so sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x, also 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, that is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, that is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Next, tan 2x formula is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, but this is sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x formulas. Next, 3x, sin 3x, cos 3x and tan 3x formulas we will discuss. Now, sin 3x formula, sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, proof, sin 3x, 3x I'll write as x plus 2x, sin of x plus 2x. Okay, sin x plus y formula, sin x plus y formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, if you consider 2x as y, so sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y. What is y? 2x, no? Cos 2x plus cos x into sin y. What is y? 2x. Okay, so sin x plus 2x formula, sin x plus 2x formula, sin x cos 2x plus cos x sin 2x. Okay, but here I want to write sin 3x in terms of sin. So wherever cos is there, try to write in terms of sin. Now cos 2x, we have 4 formulas like cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now out of these I will use 1 minus 2 sin square x because I want to write everything in terms of sin. So cos 2x I will write as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Sin x into cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus cos x into what is sin 2x formula? Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, now multiply this sin x here inside, sin x into 1 sin x minus 2 into sin square x into sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus here 2 sin x I will write here cos x into cos x is what? Cos square x. Cos square x. Now further we have identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So cos square x is equal to what we can write? 1 minus sin square x. So in place of cos square x I will write 1 minus sin square x. Okay, here what we have, sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x into 1 minus sin square x. Okay, multiply 2 sin x here. So what we get? 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Okay, 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So if you add sin terms, sin x plus 2 sin x, total how much? 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x minus 4 sin cube x. So sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Using property sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, using that identity, sin 3x I will write as sin x plus 2x. Okay, sin x cos 2x plus cos x sin 2x. Okay, cos 2x replaced by 1 minus 2 sin square x plus cos x into sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, multiply sin x here, Okay, cos x into cos x is cos square x. Further write cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. Okay, after simplification we'll get sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, next formula cos 3x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, now similar to previous one where sin 3x what we write sin x plus 2x, no? Similarly cos 3x I'll write as cos x plus 2x. Now cos x plus y formula. What is cos x plus y formula? Cos x plus y formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x plus y formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now here cos x plus 2x, in place of y what we have 2x. Actual formula cos x plus y formula cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, cos x into cos y, in place of y what we have 2x. Cos x into cos 2x minus sin x into sin y, in place of y we have 2x. Sin x into sin 2x. Okay, now cos x cos 2x minus sin x sin 2x. Now I want to write everything in terms of cos. So cos 2x, we have 4 formulas. Among those 4, cos 2x, one of the formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos x into cos 2x, in place of cos 2x I'll write 2 cos square x minus 1 minus sin x into sin 2x formula. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Okay, now multiply cos x here inside. So 2 cos square x into cos x, 2 cos cube x minus cos x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Okay, here sin x into sin x is sin square x. 2 cos x into sin square x. Now further sin square x, what we can write? Sin square x we can write as 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so if you multiply cos x inside, what we have? 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Okay, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x into 1 minus cos square x. So multiply 2 cos x here minus 2 cos x minus of minus plus 2 cos cube x. Okay, now 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, total 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x, total minus 3 cos x. So cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, next formula tan 3x. Tan 3x formula is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so here tan 3x I'll write as a tan x plus 2x. Tan 3x as a tan x plus 2x. Okay, now tan x plus y, tan x plus y formula is tan x plus y formula is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. So in place of y what we have here? 2x. So tan x plus tan y means tan x plus tan, in place of y 2x, no, tan x plus tan 2x upon 1 minus tan x tan y, 1 minus tan x into tan 2x. Okay, now tan 2x formula, just now we discussed tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So wherever tan 2x, write in place of tan 2x 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so tan x plus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus tan x into, in place of tan 2x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, now take LCM. LCM is what? 1 minus tan square x. Here also 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x cancel. Okay, so by taking numerator 1 minus tan square x as LCM, so what we get? Tan x into 1 minus tan square x plus 2 tan x. Tan x into 1 minus tan square x plus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Similarly, in denominator also taking LCM as 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x cancel. So numerator tan x into 1 minus tan square x. If you multiply tan x here, tan x minus tan cube x plus 2 tan x. So tan x plus 2 tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x, and denominator 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. 1 minus tan square minus 2 tan square is minus 3 tan square. So 1 minus 3 tan square x. So tan 3x formula is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Tan 3x formula 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, now what are the formulas? Once again I will repeat. Sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x formula is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Tan 3x formula is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, these are the formulas. There are some more formulas are there that those formulas will continue in the next session. Okay, we will discuss some problems on these concepts. Okay, some example problems we will discuss in this class. Remaining formulas will continue in next class. Okay, now example 10, prove that 3 sin pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4. Prove this value is equal to 1. Prove this value is equal to 1. Now you have to be comfortable with both the degree system as well as radian system. Okay. Now sin pi by 6 value. Sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. Sin pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 2 into secant pi by 3. At least minimum we remember sin, cos, tan values. Okay. Cosecant means you take reciprocal of sin, secant reciprocal of cos, tan reciprocal of cot, reciprocal of tan. Okay. Now 3 into sin pi by 6 value 1 by 2. So 3 into 1 by 2 into secant pi by 3. Secant pi by 3 value 2, or else 1 by cos pi by 3. 1 by cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. Okay. So 3 into this value 1 by 2 into this value 2. So 1 by 2 into 2. So 2 cancel. So first term value is how much? 3. 3 minus 4 into my cot pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value, cot pi by 4 value both are equal to 1. So 4 into 1 into this sin pi by 6 value we have to find. Okay. Sin pi by 6 value. Sin pi by 6 value to find out sin 5 pi by 6. Sorry, sin 5 pi by 6. But sin 5 pi by 6. What we can do is sin 5 pi by 6 can I write as sin pi minus pi by 6? Sin pi minus pi by 6. Because if you take LCM, LCM is what? 6 only, no? 6 pi minus pi is what? 5 pi. So 5 pi by 6 we can write like this, no? Sin 5 pi by 6 can be written as sin pi minus pi by 6. Okay. Now also earlier we discussed sin of pi minus theta, pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta. Okay. Now for multiples of pi we get same trigonometric ratio. For multiples of pi we will get same trigonometric ratio. Okay. For odd multiples of pi by 2, suppose sin pi by 2 minus theta, sin pi by 2 plus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 plus theta, or else sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta, sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. For these kind of odd multiples of pi by 2 we get alternate trigonometric ratios. Alternate trigonometric ratio means for sin we will get cos, for cos we will get sin, for tan we will get cot, for secant we will get cosecant, for cosecant we will get secant. Okay. Now here sin pi minus pi by 6. Now pi minus or pi plus will get same trigonometric ratio. Now that is positive or negative depend on the quadrant. So pi minus is what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin 5 pi by 6 is sin pi minus pi by 6. Sin pi minus pi by 6 is sin pi by 6. Okay. Now suppose this is sine 7 pi by 6 for example. Sine 7 pi by 6, what we can write? Sine pi plus pi by 6. Sine pi plus pi by 6 is sine pi plus theta sin theta. But pi plus means third quadrant. In third quadrant sine is negative. In such case sine 7 pi by 6 value is minus sine pi by 6. Whereas sine 5 pi by 6 value is sine pi minus pi by 6. Sine 180 minus theta is sin theta. Sine pi minus theta is sin theta. So sine pi by 6. Okay. So 3 minus 4 into sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 value how much? 1 by 2. So 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is what we have to prove. That is what we have to prove. Okay. The next example 11. Find value of sine 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees value we have to find. This value you can remember directly because we'll use in different problems sine 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees values. Okay, these values also you have to remember. Now sine 15 degrees value. Okay, to find sine 15 degrees, observe here sine 15 degrees I'll write as sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is 15 degrees only, no? So 15 degrees I'll write like this. Difference of some known angles, because sine 15 degrees value we know, sine 45 degrees value we know, cos sine 30 degrees value you know, because sine a minus b or sine x minus y formula is what? Sine x minus y formula is sine x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, sine x minus y formula sine x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, now 15 degrees I'll write it as sine 15 degrees as sine 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Sine x minus y formula sine x cos y minus cos x sin y, means in place of x what we have 45 degrees, in place of y what we have 30 degrees. So sine x sine 45 degrees into cos y cos 30 degrees minus cos x cos 45 degrees into sin y sin 30 degrees. Okay, now what is sin 45 degrees value? Sin 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. So this is what? Root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, LCM is what? 2 root 2. So numerator is root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 degrees value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 degrees value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. To find out sin 15 degrees, what we did? Sin 15 degrees as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Not only this, you can write 60 degrees minus 45 degrees also. Okay, like that also you can do. Okay, don't write something like 70 minus 55, because write as the difference of two known angles. Okay, so sin 15 degrees write as sin 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay, now sin x minus formula sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. In place of x we have 45 degrees, in place of y we have 30 degrees. Okay, so after substitution and simplifying, what we got? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, my next example 12. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. Find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. Tan 13 pi by 12. Okay, tan 13 pi by 12 I'll write like this, tan pi plus pi by 12. Pi plus pi by 12. If you take LCM 12 only, no? So 12 pi plus pi 13 pi. So 13 pi by 12 I'll write as pi plus pi by 12. Okay, also tan pi plus theta. No, just now we discussed pi minus pi plus 2 pi minus 2 pi plus will get same trigonometric ratio. So tan pi plus pi by 12 is tan pi by 12. Now positive or negative depends on the quadrant. Now pi plus means what? Third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is negative. In third quadrant tan is negative. In third quadrant tan is positive. So tan pi plus pi by 12 is tan pi by 12. Okay, tan pi plus pi by 12 is tan pi by 12. Okay, first of all, pi minus or pi plus, we'll write same trigonometric ratio. So tan pi by 12. Now pi plus means third quadrant. Pi plus pi by 12 is third quadrant. Third quadrant tan is positive, so plus. Okay, so tan pi by 12. Tan pi by 12. Okay, I think it is look a little bit complicated. Now pi means what? 180 degrees. So 180 by 12. 180 by 12, it is nothing but 180 by 12 is 15 degrees. No, it is nothing but tan 15 degrees we are finding. Tan 15 degrees. Now 15 degrees. Now in previous problem, sine 15 degrees what we wrote? Sine 45 minus 30. So similarly, pi by 12. Pi by 12 is 15 degrees. 15 degrees what will write again here also? 45 minus 30. Okay, 45 degrees is nothing but pi by 4. 30 degrees is nothing but pi by 6. Okay, so tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6. Tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6. Okay, tan pi by 4 minus pi by 6. It is of the form tan x minus y. Tan x minus y formula is tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. Tan x minus y formula, tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay, so tan in place of x what we have pi by 4, in place of y we have pi by 6. So tan pi by 4 minus tan pi by 6 upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan pi by 6. Okay, now tan pi by 4 value. Tan pi by 4 value is how much? 1 minus tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 upon denominator 1 plus tan pi by 4 value 1. 1 into tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3. So 1 plus 1 by root 3 in denominator. Now take LCM in numerator and denominator. Root 3 is LCM. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. So what we get? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay. So tan pi by 12 value or tan 15 degrees value. What you can write? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay. Now if you simplify root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, okay, rationalizing the denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. So what we get? Denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 3 square, 3 minus 1 square is 1, 3 minus 1, 2, denominator is 2. Numerator, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square. Numerator is a minus b whole square form. A minus b whole square is a square, root 3 square, 3 plus b square, 1 square is 1, minus 2ab, minus 2 into root 3 into 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, 2 common in numerator and cancel. So what we get? 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 degrees value is how much? 2 minus root 3. Okay, so sin 15 degrees value we learned, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, and tan 15 degrees value we learned, that is 2 minus root 3. Tan pi by 12 or tan 15 degrees, both are same, value is 2 minus root 3. Okay, but these also we can use it as formulas in further problems. Okay, okay ma. I will conclude up to here. Remaining concepts and problems we will discuss in next class. Thank you.